Let's go over some of the components that could be leaking on your water heater. I like to do a top-down assessment on the water heater. The first thing I look for is there any water on the top of the water heater. If you're just seeing it from the bottom, we know that it's coming from somewhere down here. Where it can be leaking, this is called the drain down valve. This is the gas regulating valve. This is the TMP. We'll just be able to hear that it's hissing in here. It actually drains outside, and you should be seeing water coming outside the side of your house closest to the water heater. And a lot of times there's another tank encased in this tank right here, and then that goes bad. There's really nothing we can do at that point. We have to replace it.